मुख्यमंत्री दोतर प्रमोद सावंत हांचो जमीन घोटाळ्या खातीर नेमिल्ल्या एसआयटी म्हळ्यार स्पेशल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन टीम पंगडाचेर कंट्रोल आसा। ह्या खातीर फावो तशी पारदर्शक चौकशी जायना असो आरोप तृणमूल काँग्रेसचे फुडारी ट्रोजन डिमेलो हांणी केला। गोंयांत व्हडा प्रमाणात जमीन घोटाळे जाल्यात आनी हे सगळे राजकीय आशिर्वादान चलतात असोय आरोप ताणें केला।
SIT cover up the frauds and land grabbing of criminal lands. Tell them to say so. We will not talk about it. I repeat it again. Thousands and thousands of square meters have been taken, and criminal frauds have been taken with the blessings of politicians. Maybe ruling, opposition, or anything, but politicians. Point them out. Don't make a smoke screen and try to show the people of Goa. Why are the names of the property owners not being declared? Yesterday, SIT, we had demanded and we continue to demand. The Deputy Collector's office was raided by the crime branch, where 12 files concerning citizens of Fudler were taken, was seized by them. We had demanded, take them over. Or you say that Kobdila properties are not within our jurisdiction. Therefore, I am saying the terms of references are kept open to play mischief with people's lives, with people's political careers, and to see that the present government remains stable, and everybody will see that today the discipline level has reached very high. It is not discipline, but it's a stick in the hand of the Chief Minister who is ultimately controlling this SIT.